Hello children, today I have come with a video based on obtaining different types of images using convex lens. In this video, you will be learning how to obtain different types of images when the object is kept at various positions. To perform this experiment, the materials required are a convex lens of focal length 20 cm. A convex lens is bounded by two spherical surfaces bulged outward. If you observe a convex lens, it is thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges. A lens holder, a candle, matchbox. At first, place a lens on the lens holder. This line represents principal axis. Principal axis is an imaginary line passing through optic center. Here I located the various positions along the principal axis. O is the optic center of the convex lens. F1 and F2 are the focus of the lens. The distance between optic center and F1 is 20 cm. And the distance between optic center and F2 is also 20 cm. That is the focal length of the lens. Here 2F1 and 2F2 are the twice of the focal length. Now let's begin our experiment. Case 1. When the object is placed at infinite distance, that is far away from the lens. Here if you observe, the object is placed away from the lens at infinite distance. Now let's observe where the image will be formed for such case. Adjust the screen until you get a sharp image. You can see a point-sized image is formed on the screen. What is the size of the image? Yes, point-sized image is formed on the screen. When the object is placed at infinite distance, the size of the image obtained will be point-sized or highly diminished. Where is the image formed? At F2. That is, position of the image is obtained at F2. That is the focus of the convex lens. Case 2. Object is placed beyond 2F1. Now let's observe where the image will be formed. When the object is beyond 2f1, let's adjust the screen and observe the image. Here you can observe a sharp image is formed on the screen. If you move away the screen, the image gets blurred. At this point, the image is appearing sharp. Let's observe its position. The screen is placed in between f2 and 2f2. That is, when the object is beyond 2f1, the image is formed between f2 and 2f2. What is the size of the image? It is the diminished image compared to the size of the object. As the flame is upside down, we can say it is an inverted image. And as we can capture this image on the screen, we can call this image as inverted image. Inverted and real image. Three, when the object is placed at 2f1. Let's observe where the image will be formed. Adjust the screen. You can see a sharp image is obtained on the screen at 2f2. So we can say that when the object is placed at 2f1, the image will be formed at 2f2. The image is same size of the object. It is captured on the screen. So it is real and inverted image which is formed at 2f2. When the object is placed in between 2f1 and f1. Adjust the screen to obtain a sharp image. You can observe an enlarged image is obtained on the screen. The size of the image is increased, that is enlarged. An enlarged image is obtained on the screen. Real and inverted image. Where will be the position of the image? The position of the image is beyond 2f2. When the object is placed in between 2f1 and f1, the image is formed beyond 2f2. Case 5. when the object is placed at F1. Let's observe where the image will be formed. Adjust the screen. You can see a blurred image is obtained on the screen. It will be highly enlarged. When the object is placed at F1, the image will be formed far away from the lens. You can see a blurred image is formed here. Case 6. Object is placed in between focus and optic center. Now let's try to capture the image on the screen. Adjusting the screen at various positions. Can you find any image on the screen, children? No, the image will not be captured on the screen in this case, because the image formed will be virtual image. When the object is placed in between focus and optic center, the image formed will be virtual image, which cannot be captured on the screen at any position from the lens. But you can observe the image through the lens. You can find that the image is highly enlarged and the candle flame is erect. In the previous cases, you have seen an inverted image was formed on the screen. But here you can see the candle image is not inverted. That means it is an erect image. This image cannot be captured on the screen. The image which cannot be captured on the screen is called as virtual image.